Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing ChatGPT for beginners. So this video is only for beginners, and if you want to use ChatGPT in your daily life, we will be uploading a series of lot of videos on how to use ChatGPT if you are a marketing agency owner, if you are a founder, or if you are a brand owner, but that will be coming later in this series. This video is only for beginners and maybe for students. You can learn how to use ChatGPT in your daily life, and this video is going to be really interesting, so watch this video till the end. This is everything that we will be discussing. So this is a mind map that we have prepared. So first we will discuss how to have a basic conversation with ChatGPT. So again, I'm telling you one more thing, that we are assuming you are completely new to ChatGPT, you have no idea how it works, and you are just going to learn that and a lot of basic thing. If you want any kind of advanced learning, we will be having upcoming videos in that you can learn those, but this video is completely for basic learners, right? So this is how the flow of the video will go. First of all, we will learn how a student can manage his schedule and his calculations and the daily conversations, how you can train GPT to act as your personal tutor, how you can train GPT to act as your personal finance management. And then we will be checking out the audio video feature of ChatGPT as well. I want to have a disclaimer here that some of the features are paid. So if you have paid for ChatGPT Pro, then only you can use it. But you can use all the features in limited capacity as much as you want to. Then we will also understand content writing through GPT, image generation, and our final thoughts and my final verdict about it. So we have already pre-prepared some prompts here, and these are the prompts which might be useful for any kind of students if are watching this video, or अगर आप लोग कोई भी वर्क शेड्यूल में हो या फिर कोई भी जॉब कैपेसिटी में हो, तो यू कैन चेंज द प्रॉम्प्ट एज पर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. वी विल हैव दिस डॉक्यूमेंट लिंक अटैच टू द वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन, so you can download it just from here, or if you need any kind of help, you can DM me on Instagram at @nakshatra same. So let's start with the first prompt, that is the schedule management. So here the prompt is: I'm a student juggling from morning lectures Monday, Wednesday, Friday 9 to 12 p.m, part-time tutoring Tuesday, Thursday 4 to 6 p.m, gym sessions, weekend group projects. Build me a color-coded weekly schedule Monday to Sunday 7 a.m. to 11 p.m that balances study, exercises, social time and deadlines. Explain any kind of trade-offs you make. So we're just going to copy this prompt and see what ChatGPT is going to generate. We have already given one base prompt that beginners are watching this, so we have just told ChatGPT to explain things in as much of detail as it can. So we are currently using ChatGPT 4.0 mini model, and you can see it has already started working. And guys, see, it has already created a very nice color coded schedule for you. So it's assuming you are waking up at 7 a.m, and this is the entire schedule, right? You can make it work. You can change it as per your need. Let's say if you are in job, so you can tell ChatGPT that you are working in a job, and you work from Monday to Friday, this is your schedule, and you want a color coded schedule for maximum productivity, and it can update it accordingly, right? So all you need to do, if you want to have it just in your phone, or if you can access it, just go to the copy table, open an Excel sheet or a Google sheet, and you can just directly copy paste it there, and that's it. That's all you need to do. You have your schedule right in front of you within a few seconds. And this is very interesting because I've been personally also using it to create my schedule. I have multiple businesses, so I have laid down all the foundation in ChatGPT that this is what I do, this is how I want to divide my time, and in this capacity. So ChatGPT has given me a schedule that I follow every day, and it has been of immense help. So you can have a detailed description also here: morning gym versus sleep, starting your day with fitness boost or alertness for lectures. So again, it is also giving you personal tips as a trainer, kind of, right? So, and again, you can make some changes, any kind of changes that you want to it. So this is the first thing that we have discussed today. Next is a basic prompt. Now this is for all those people who might be a little introvert. They feel a little shy talking to, their lecturers or their boss or any kind of capacity. You just need to copy this prompt: hi ChatGPT, I'm brand new here and want to see how a natural back and forth conversation would look like. Please start by asking 2 icebreaker questions about my day, then respond to my answers with follow-up questions. Keep the tone warm and informal. So I will just show you a little bit of it, but you can again play around with ChatGPT as per your personal capacity. So let's say if I'm giving this prompt to GPT. Then let's just wait for its answer. Is what it is coming up with, right? So it takes some time to think because we are using the O4 mini model. Okay, so this is the answer. Hey there, great to have you here. What's been the best part of your day so far? Did anything unexpected or funny happen? Now, as a student or as a job person, you can share anything that you feel like, and ChatGPT can adapt to multiple personalities also here, right? And there's an audio feature also where you can just talk about how you feel and just share it if something good happened during the day or something bad happened during the day. So just to give you an example, I will just tell him today was my birthday and a lot of people wished me so I felt really good. How can I thank those people once again? Those people once again. Let's say I'm a introverted person and I don't know how to, just write a thank you message or something. Again, this is just an example. Don't take anything literally. Thank those people once again. And let's say if I'm sending this, and now 4O mini model takes time to think. Oh, happy birthday again. That's awesome. You got so many warm wishes. Here are fun ways to say thank you. Group shout out, post a quick story, personal replies. Hey, your birthday wish made my day. Thank you so much. If you are up for it, grab a small e-card. So, any kind of conversation like the DIY video, this is a nice idea. You can record a video handing it. Again, this is just an example. You can talk about anything and basic things you can discuss with GPT, and you can use it as your personal discussion mentor, right? Number third is calculations and budgeting. So calculation and budgeting is an important part for any student or any person working in a job or anybody else, right? So we have prepared a prompt which is my monthly allowance is 10,000 rupees. I spend 150 rupees per breakfast, rupees 200 per lunch, and rupees 250 per dinner on school days, 20 days per month. On weekends I spend 400 per meal, 3 meals per day. Break down my total monthly food expenses and tell me how much I can allocate to snacks and savings if I want to save 20% of my allowance. So when I was a kid, this was the biggest problem I had, and I was really bad in maths, so I didn't know how to do it. Now there is no issue because ChatGPT is there to just answer all these questions for me. I can also use it as a directory or as a notes. It can just record these daily expenses for me. So let's just try and let's just give this prompt and wait for what it is about to come, right? So if you will see, it is calculating everything. It is thinking. This particular model has a brain of itself. It just doesn't randomly give answers. It's think about it and then gives answers. So here's the answer. And this is again in a table format which you can copy and just paste it wherever you want to, right? So this is a saving goal. Total monthly food cost जो निकल के आई है 21,600. Determine your saving goal. Monthly allowance 10,000 है. Desired saving 20%, यानी कि 2,000 रुपए की saving होनी चाहिए. That leaves 8,000 बचे हैं spending के लिए, and this is how you can spend जो कि snacks का है amount. तो अभी ऑलरेडी ओवर स्पेंडिंग हो रही है, तो आप देख सकते हो 13,600 हो गया. तो यू कैन नॉट, राइट? यू कैन कट डाउन मील कॉस्ट, रिड्यूस 1 मील पर डे एंड वीकेंड ब्रांच और सब, जो कि मतलब बाहर के खाने को आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो. अगर लेट्स से आपको सेविंग करना है, कोई मैकबुक लेना है या फिर कुछ लैपटॉप लेना है, सो यू कैन जस्ट प्ले विद द प्रॉम्प्ट्स, राइट? यू कैन गिव द प्रॉम्प्ट कि मेरे पास मंथली अलाउंस इतना आता है एंड इतना इतना मेरा खर्चा है एंड मुझे लाइक आई हैव टू सेव लेट्स से 20,000 और 30,000 in the next 6 months. So you can change the prompt accordingly and this will work around for you, right? Fourth is daily conversation practice. Here we have created a prompt. Let's role play 6 exchange dialogue. You are a friendly barista at my local cafe. I'm a customer asking about today's special. Use simple past present tense, then correct my grammar. I slip it up. So here हमने उसको एक English tutor के फॉर्म में ट्रेन कर रहे हैं एंड आप एक अलग अलग चैट कर सकते हो चैट जीपीटी के साथ में ट्रेन करने के लिए. लेट्स से कि एक पर्टिकुलर कॉन्वर्सेशन को हमने बना दिया है दैट इज जस्ट फॉर इंग्लिश ट्रेनिंग, तो वो केवल उसी चीज़ में वो काम में लेगा उसको. दैट्स व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट. सो यहाँ पे हम ट्रेन कर रहे हैं इसको टू एक्ट एज माई इंग्लिश ट्यूटर एंड टीच मी थिंग्स. सो 44 सेकेंड, थोड़ा सोचने में टाइम ज़्यादा लगा दिया उसने, बट हाँ, लेट्स सी. Barista, hi, welcome to the Bean There Cafe. What can I get for you today? Customer, hi, what's today's special? So आप इसको यूज ले सकते हो किसी भी कॉन्वर्सेशन करने में, लेट्स से आपको कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन करनी है अपने बॉस से, तो यू कैन जस्ट राइट इट कि दिस इज वेयर आई एम स्टक, तो आई कैन हैव दिस, हाउ कैन आई हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन। या फिर आपको आपके टीचर से कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन करनी है, या आपके फ्रेंड से कोई अनकंफर्टेबल कॉन्वर्सेशन है दैट यू आर स्टक एट, you can just write it ki this is where I'm stuck and this is the kind of conversation that I want to have, and it will help you create that exact conversation जो आप किस तरीके से कर सकते हो। And just to give you an idea, obviously don't copy paste it पूरा, but this will give you an idea flow कि आप किस तरीके से इसको play around कर सकते हो। Again, this is again for a personal tutor, यहाँ पे हम लोग maths के according इसको train कर रहे हैं। So this is a prompt, solve for x in the equation। आप कोई भी मैथ्स की इक्वेशन या फिर फिजिक्स की इक्वेशन जो भी आपके हो आप दे सकते हो, इट विल जस्ट हेल्प सॉल्व दैट, राइट। सो जैसे हम लोग ये अभी इसको प्रोवाइड की, एंड बल्कि मैथ्स सोचने में काफ़ी कम टाइम लगा है, इसने तुरंत आंसर दे दिया, इक्वेशन टू सॉल्व स्टेप 1। एंड देखो आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप इट विल टेल यू हाउ इट वर्क्स, राइट। When we were studying ऐसा कुछ नहीं था हमारे लिए अवेलेबल, वी हैड टू थिंक, वॉच यूट्यूब वीडियोस, तब जाके निकल के आता था। यहाँ पे देखो आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स इसने निकाल दिया है। आई एम स्टिल नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, बट यू कैन पुट इन एनी इक्वेशन दैट यू वांट एंड यू विल हैव द आंसर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, राइट। नेक्स्ट, पर्सनल फाइनेंस मैनेजमेंट। आई थिंक एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, एंड more and more people need to learn about personal finance management, especially students, right? So जब आप student होते हो तभी से आप सीखोगे तो आप long term में एक बड़ा corpus create कर पाओगे, right? So this is just an example we are giving it. I have 50,000 in saving account and want to invest 20,000 in a low risk mutual fund while keeping 10,000 liquid. Explain 3 fund options, outline how to set up SIPs and create a simple pie chart of my post invest allocation. Advise on maintaining a emergency cash buffer, right? ये सब थोड़ा डिटेल में हमने इसीलिए रखा है जिससे कि कंप्लीटली भी आप पूरा का पूरा एक तरीके से उसमें नहीं निकाल पाओ, नहीं लगा दो, राइट। तो एक रिस्क और रिटर्न को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक प्रॉम्प्ट बनाया हम लोगों ने इसके लिए। सो लेट्स वेट वो किस तरीके से इसको निकालता है, एंड आई थिंक ओनली 11 सेकेंड्स में ये वाला आंसर पर्टिकुलरली आ गया है, राइट। सो क्रेजी, इफ यू विल लुक एट इट, एक पूरा पाई चार्ट उसने बना दिया है कि 40% आपको म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए अगर आपके पास 50,000 रुपये पड़े हैं, एंड सेविंग्स अकाउंट में आपको 20,000 रखने चाहिए, एंड लिक्विड कैश फ्लो आपके पास होना चाहिए 20% का, राइट। सो अगेन चैट जीपीटी से आई विल नेवर सजेस्ट कि आप कोई भी रिकमेंडेशन लो कि किस तरीके कौन से उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना है, बट इट कैन हेल्प यू प्लान आउट कि आप लो रिस्क वाले में कौन सा डाल सकते हो एंड हाई रिस्क वाले में कौन सा डाल सकते हो, बट नेवर टेक डायरेक्ट recommendation from anyone or any AI, but yeah you can have a basic layout structure। आप कोई इसने बताया है कि आप कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म पे कर सकते हो, आप कैसे फंड सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो, आपको अमाउंट कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है, आप डेट सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो कब SIP आपकी कटनी चाहिए, राइट, एंड यू कैन जस्ट ऑथराइज इट। तो इंटायर प्रोसेस इज हियर, एंड अगेन वेरी नाइस। इमरजेंसी कैश बफर के बारे में भी उसने इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है, सो यू कैन अगेन ट्वीक इट अराउंड द वे यू वांट टू। And I think that is it for the first part of the video, and audio part of the video we will cover alag se, we will record live audio conversations and we'll share it with you. 3 AI breakthroughs announced this week. Tell me the first one in English and rest 2 in Hindi.
Of course. First in English. One of the top AI breakthroughs this week is OpenAI's acquisition of Jony Ive's startup IO for $6.5 billion, aiming to develop advanced AI hardware. दूसरा बड़ा ब्रेक थ्रू गूगल का नया AI मोड चैटबॉट है जो सर्च अनुभवों को पूरी तरह बदल रहा है। तीसरा एंथ्रोपिक का नया क्लॉड 4 मॉडल सीरीज है जो कोडिंग क्षमताओं में बहुत आगे है।
Okay, I have 4 hours to explore Jaipur's Amer Fort. Create a spoken word itinerary, arrival and ticketing tips, 3 must-see spots, recommended photo angles, local snack suggestions, and anything else.
Sure, let's dive into it. Start by arriving early to avoid crowds, ideally around 8 a.m. Purchase your tickets at the main entrance or online to save time. Once inside, head straight to the Sheesh Mahal, Mirror Palace, to see the stunning, intricate mirror work. Then visit the Diwani-Am, Hall of Public Audience, for its impressive architecture and historical significance. Finally, explore the Sukh Nivas, known for its cool climate and beautiful gardens. For the best photos, capture the panoramic view of the fort from the main courtyard, the intricate mirror mosaics inside the Sheesh Mahal, and the grand pillars of the Diwani-Am. Don't miss trying local snacks like kachoris or samosas from vendors near the fort entrance. Also, carry water and wear comfortable shoes, as there's quite a bit of walking involved. Enjoy your visit.
Welcome back, and we will record the last part, which is the content writing. And here we are training. So, let's say if you are a student and you want to earn money and you want to work, right? So, content writing, I think, is a very good entry level internship that you can get. And definitely, content writing with ChatGPT आपको बहुत help करेगा. So, here we have created this prompt. Show me how to craft a prompt that produces a 150 word persuasive email pitching a product. First explain the prompt structure, then provide an example prompt and resulting email. राइट सो इसको अगर हम इसमें डालते हैं सो यू कैन सी किस तरीके का वो निकल के आता है आंसर. एंड अगेन ये केवल एक ईमेल के लिए है, आप इसको मल्टीपल चीज़ों के लिए काम में ले सकते हो. आप एसईओ के लिए काम में ले सकते हो, आप कोई भी ब्लॉग लिखने के लिए काम में ले सकते हो, राइट. When you need ChatGPT to write a specific piece of content like a 150 word persuasive email, you can structure your prompt. So आपने देखा यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, हम ChatGPT को ही बोल रहे हैं कि मुझे सजेस्ट करो, मुझे एक मेल चाहिए तो मैं किस तरीके से प्रॉम्प्ट दूँ, राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट इट हैज क्रिएटेड. यू हैव टू मेंशन अ रोल, राइट. सो आपको ये नहीं करना है. लेट्स से आपको एक कोई एसईओ ऑप्टिमाइज्ड ब्लॉग चाहिए, तो डोंट जस्ट राइट गिव मी अ ब्लॉग ऑन दिस. This is how you have to give the prompt. You have to mention role. You are a senior marketing copywriter with 10 years of experience. Goal: write a persuasive email pitching the new Smart Fit fitness tracker to busy professionals who want simple health insights. Tone: again, tone is an important thing because कई बार आपको sarcastic tone चाहिएगी, कई बार आपको technical tone चाहिएगी, कई बार आपको funny चाहिएगी, कई बार motivational चाहिएगी. So tone is important, motivational yet approachable. And length. And this is the resulting email also that it has created. Unlock your health potential meets smart fit. And this is how the email has been created. So you can use this and you can actually apply for internship at multiple places, and I'm sure you will be able to work your way around, right. And उसके बाद में प्रूफ रीडिंग के लिए आप काम में ले सकते हो, उसके भी हमने प्रॉम्प्ट्स यहाँ पे लिखे हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट इमेज जनरेशन विल बी देयर इन आवर अदर पार्ट ऑफ इट, राइट. So final thoughts about ChatGPT as a beginner is final thoughts for ChatGPT as a beginner is this is a great tool if you use it really well, right. This is like having a big brother, this is like having a personal tutor. आप कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम में अटके हो आप पूछ सकते हो, डिस्कस कर सकते हो, राइट. बट डोंट जस्ट ब्लाइंडली फॉलो एवरीथिंग दैट इट सेज. Try to use it as a smart layer on your current brain and current thinking. Again, it is just prompt engineering. जितना आप बढ़िया prompt दोगे उतना बढ़िया वो आंसर निकाल के देगा आपको. But again, the thought has to be original. The thought has to be real. Like हमारा इस वीडियो को बनाने का thought था, तो हमने ये prompts निकाले, फिर हमने ये पूरी चीज़ बनाई, right? But thought हमारा था. So again, I will just say, don't kill your thoughts. Do read books. Do talk to people in real life. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Don't just copy ChatGPT blindly. But ऑल्सो लर्न इट, बिकॉज जो नई जनरेशन आ रही है उनको पता होगा चैट जीपीटी कैसे यूज करना है. एंड डेफिनेटली इट विल act as an edge in your career if you know how to utilize it, if you know how to write prompts. And that's it for this video. In next videos we will further discuss a lot of other things like how to use ChatGPT for agencies, for founders, and advanced version of AI tools also. So subscribe to the channel and comment if you need any kind of help related to this video, and you can also follow us on Instagram @nakshatrasen. Thank you. Bye bye.